Hi, welcome to Rate My Gadget, and I'll be showing you how to save money using your Nest thermostat. First things first is that the Nest comes with this eco option. So the leaf that you'll see on there means that you're putting it into a low temperature and therefore not spending as much money heating up the house. And what you can do is if you click on the Nest, spin it round, there's a leaf top right, click it on and then put that in eco mode. Now you can do that, especially in the kind of hot climate. I'm in the UK, it's quite warm at the moment. If your house is staying above 21 degrees, or even above 18, 17 degrees, something like that, you may want to put it on eco mode, because actually what you'll find is if you have doors open and you're having people round, let's say you're having a barbecue, very quickly the house may drop in temperature, let's say below 18 degrees, and the heating will turn on. So putting it into eco mode, especially during maybe the weekends when it's hotter during the summer, that can really help, because then that means it puts it down to 10 degrees, which is a temperature that keeps the pipes basically safe. The other thing as well that eco mode is great for is when you're away. So when you're on holiday and you're out of the house, definitely put it back onto eco mode. So let me just show you how to do that. You click onto the button, so you get to this setting here, click to eco mode, which is the leaf, and then you can put, well in this case, stop eco mode, but I'm going to put start eco mode. What you can do, and you can do this on your phone if you wish, is you can actually change the schedule yourself. So the one thing I'd fully recommend, again, click the button, go around, and you'll go to this bottom right, which is read schedule, click on it again, and it will tell you all of the temperature regulations that it's trying to do during the day. Now, in essence, the way to save money is to really drop the temperature in your house, either at times when you're out the house, sleeping, so it's not uncomfortable. What you'll be looking for is, if you scroll left and right, you'll be able to see the schedule. So if I have a look, so for example, Saturday night at 10 o'clock, it goes down to 14 degrees. If I then go across, Sunday night at 9:45, again, it goes down to 14 degrees. Now, if I go back, if I go on to Sunday night, 10 o'clock, 14 degrees. But then, here we go. So Thursday night, 10 o'clock is going down to 15 degrees. Now, that may not sound a big difference, but actually 1 degree difference is actually quite significant. So if you've lived with being at 14 degrees for most nights of the week, then actually changing to make sure all your days are at the same temperature won't make a huge difference. Once I've clicked on the button clicked on the Nest, then I can put the temperature where I want it. So that means that now, Thursday night at 10 o'clock at night, all of the temperatures at 14 degrees. And you want to look at that. So first things first, look at your night temperature to see what's the thermostat dropping at. I found 14, 13 degrees is fairly comfortable and it won't wake you up. If it's at 17, 18, 19, you want to be changing that. You want to be bringing it down, okay? That's definitely something that I would recommend, okay? That making sure that your night temperature, because, you know, those 8 hours, 7 hours, whatever it may be, you know, if you're keeping the house a nice crisp 17, 18, 19 degrees and you're not going to notice it when you're asleep, then best thing to do is go into the schedule. So let me just show you that again. So click on the button, scroll round to where it says schedule, click it again, and then you'll see the full schedule come up. You can do this on the Nest app as well, and it might be that it's a little bit easier on the Nest app. If you want me to show you how to do that, please do comment and I can put up a very quick, short little video. Okay, so that's another way. The other way as well that you can save money is you can go to your settings, go to home away assist. You can also do, and I'll show you this on my phone now, is you can go into the Nest app and you can actually set it so that it links to your phone, so that when your GPS, when you're out of the house, it will turn your thermostat onto eco temperature, and that's a really important attribute. So let me show you how to do that. Okay, so the third and final thing I recommend on this video to save you money is if you go into the Nest app, which if you don't have, do download and connect it to your system. If you go to this cog in the right hand corner, hit home away assist, and what it does is it says when you're at home or when you're out, it's asking you what do you want to do. Okay, so let's just have a look. So if I'm at home, I've only got one thermostat, which is in the dining room. I want it to be on. What decides if I'm at home I'm going to use my mobile phone location. Okay, so you can do that in which you can actually use your mobile phone location, and it will make sure that once you leave the house, it will turn that off. Now you can add different people on here, obviously, if there's kind of 2 or more of you living in the household. But if I hit away, I can actually turn that on to eco mode. So what I showed you earlier on, making sure it's just above 10.5 degrees. Now the only downside with this is that it'll only register, so let's say you're out and it's a cold day, if the house drops to quite a low temperature, it'll only turn on when you walk in the house. Okay, and that means that you might be walking into a cold house that takes a while to warm up. Okay, so there's 3 ways of saving money. Make sure you put it into eco mode when you can, especially if it's a hot day and you're keeping the windows open or you're away. Secondly is change the schedule, so you look at your overnight, what temperatures it's at. And then the third thing is do the home away assist. That's helped. Please do like, please subscribe, please comment in the bottom. Obviously the Nest, as I said at the beginning, it does interface with a lot of these voice activated speakers, so you can control it. You can put it onto your phone app as well, so it's regularly visual. So when you're away from the house, you can make sure that the temperature is down at eco mode. So if you do forget to do this, make sure you do it while you're away. So I hope that's helped. Please do like, please subscribe, and thanks for watching.